Jingle bell rock. How to sing Jingle Bell Rock, Preparatory Block. Part 1. Listen as much as possible to the recording of the song you want to sing. Part 2. Know the lyrics perfectly. At least once, just read the lyrics out loud and think about the meaning and emotions of the song. Not just words, it's a story. Like jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing are bushels of fun. This way. Part 3. Know the rhythm. Practice the rhythm by speaking the lyrics and clapping the beat. Like jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. This way. Part 4. Sing together with the recording of the song in a half voice. Like jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. When you feel that you know the song well, move to the next block. And finally, practical block. I will say this right away. This is very important. If you learn by yourself, you must record yourself on a voice recorder or a camera and listen to how it sounds. If you have a teacher, he can correct you. So if you don't have a teacher, listen and control yourself. By the way, you have the opportunity to send me a video of you singing and I will personally review it. I will analyze your performance, show you strong and weak points and give clear advice on what you should work on and which exercises will help you the most. This way you get real feedback, not just general tips from a video. It's almost like having a teacher next to you, just without sitting in the same room. You can send me your recording on email or take a lesson with me. All the information is in the description under this video. Or if you want to support the channel, you can become a sponsor by clicking join under the video. In this case, once a month, you can send me your performance of any song and I will reply with a personal video review. Let's continue. Part 1. Warm up your voice so it is ready. We will sing our song without words on the sound like z, v or b. This is needed to know the melody well and not to lose resonance while singing. For example, this way. I recommend doing this a cappella. Try to sing so that the vibration of your voice doesn't break. If you feel that it is too low or too high, change the key so it feels comfortable. Part 2. Solfeggio parlato, or spoken solfeggio. We will speak the lyrics in rhythm and on the breath. In places with accents, we will not make the voice louder, but we will sing the note as if it is a little bit longer. This helps you avoid pushing the voice. So here's an example how to do it. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing are bushels of fun. This way. When you do solfeggio parlato, pay attention to this part. What a bright time, it's the right time. You need to do double vowels, because otherwise you will stop the breath. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. If you don't do it, it will sound, what a bright time, is the right. And we don't want it. We want, what a bright time, is the right time. I do bright, right. Part 3. Finally, we sing the song with lyrics. Make sure to sing with feeling, feel the beat and groove. You will think about technique later, after the first few performances, when you find weaknesses in your singing. I recommend to sing a cappella, record yourself and analyze until you feel confident with the song. Only after that, start singing with backing track or your instrumental. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing are bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. This way. I want to warn you about common mistakes. Don't sing too student-like, too correct and flat. Like jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Make accents, play with dynamics. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Like this. So if this video was helpful, please give it a like, write a comment, hit subscribe and bell not to miss new videos and your chance to sing better. I'm Andre Mik, thank you for watching, see you in the next videos. Bye!